Quad saw. During repair and construction works, you sometimes have to make a large number of square and rectangular openings in the walls. This used to be a long procedure that required great precision on the part of the worker. Usually several cuts were made to form a hole of the desired shape in the wall. Today, fortunately, there are faster and simpler methods. Quad saw is a drill attachment developed in the UK. Its main feature is that it has 4 blades that work simultaneously, more precisely, 2 vertical blades and 2 horizontal blades, that allow you to create holes almost instantly. Instead of a rectangular hole, the worker can create a square hole by moving the vertical blade or replacing the horizontal blades. At the moment, Quad saw only works with drywall, but the developers plan on offering other options in the future. The price of the device is $300. Camo Drive. The next tool was created especially for professionals who work with wooden floors. The fact is that there are several ways to place the deck. All of them are complex, but they also require the use of specialized and expensive tools. This was a common problem until the appearance of this universal device, Meet Drive, developed by the American company Camo Fasteners. It's a perfect tool to work with different floors, since it works with any material and surface. It doesn't matter which decking method you choose, Camo Drive will do the job 5 times faster than a person using traditional methods and tools. In addition, the work is done in a comfortable standing position. The load is reduced, the worker tires less, and productivity increases. Camo Drive is a drill attachment and works with many models. The price starts at $170. Brush Grubber. The first stage of any construction work is clearing the area of any kind of debris and obstacles, such as rocks, bushes, and trees. Removing rocks is a simple job, but getting rid of vegetation is a much more difficult task than it seems at first glance. Except with this product, you are seeing the Brush Grubber, an innovative tool that will allow you to get rid of shrubs and small trees in minutes. The operator puts in a minimum effort, as most of the work is done by the vehicle or tractor. And the most important thing, the Brush Grubber removes the plant along with the roots. The price of the device is $85. Jakari Quadro. Here's another tool that can save workers time and money. One of the most common tasks on construction sites is connecting different wires. It's not a complicated procedure, but it's very annoying. You have to gently remove the insulation layer, and then with the help of a crimper, join the pieces together. The process consists of joining metal parts or other malleable materials by deforming one or both of them to hold the other. And as you can guess, each step of the procedure is carried out with a different set of tools. And that's why Quadro from the German company Jakari is so valuable. It's a compact device that can form a complete work cycle completely independently and in seconds. First, Quadro gently but effectively removes the insulation layer and then places the connector on the end of the table. The tool is compact, fits in the palm of the hand and weighs just over 700 grams. It can be purchased for $300. Etape 16. Everyone makes mistakes, even the most careful and diligent workers. However, it is important to understand that even a small mistake in construction can cause serious problems and lead to additional costs. That's why Etape 16 can be of great use, especially since it'll only cost you about $30. Etape 16 is a construction tape measure equipped with a screen. This way, the worker doesn't have to strain their eyes trying to see the numbers, as the device shows the measurements on the screen. Another advantage of the Etape 16 is its built-in memory, which stores the last measurements. There's also a special button that halves the measurements and tells you where the midpoint is. In addition, Etape 16 is a robust and shock-proof device that can withstand a fall from a great height. M18 Fuel Drain Snake. The tool you see on your screen was developed by specialists from the American company Milwaukee. Its purpose is to eliminate clogs in pipes quickly and efficiently, including the most serious cases. Surprisingly, M18 Fuel Drain Snake penetrates the pipe to a depth of 15 meters. The rotation of the work tool gently but effectively pushes out any clogged debris. The manufacturer has ensured that the $400 tool is suitable for a wide variety of tasks. Therefore, the rotation speed is adjustable from 0 to 500 RPM. The speed of movement through the pipe is also adjustable and can reach 20 centimeters per second. Pay attention to the wireless design, which allows the operator to work without restrictions. Finally, the M18 Fuel Drain Snake can be held comfortably even at high speeds. Safety Nailer. It's time to talk about a device that undoubtedly will be useful in every home. Laying deck flooring or unclogging pipes is a job that should be done by professionals, but we all have to hammer nails from time to time. Safety Nailer is a small and simple device that will prevent you from hurting your fingers when hammering. The principle of operation is as follows. Instead of holding the nail with your bare hands, you can hold it with the help of the Safety Nailer. The device not only prevents the nails from bending, but also protects your hands. The price is only $9. Logan F504. If you've always wondered how pictures and photos are mounted inside a frame, this tool is the answer to all of your questions. The photo is fixed from behind and held in place with the help of flexible metal strip inserts that are nailed directly into the frame. Needless to say, a wide variety of tools can be used to perform this procedure, but the fastest option is the F504 from the American company Logan Graphic Products. While the tool has essentially one purpose, it can be used with different types of frames, for example wood or plastic. In addition, the Logan F504 can work with different strip inserts, flexible or rigid. Thanks to its rubber handle, the tool doesn't slip out of the hand either. The manufacturer has installed a convenient reloading mechanism, so that you can change or load new inserts in seconds. There's also a mechanism that adjusts the depth of penetration, which is especially useful when working with hard wood. Doer. If you like to work with your hands, then the next tool will certainly be to your liking. Doer is an invention by the American specialists at Stellan. It's a folding workstation equipped with everything you need. When folded, Doer is a compact tool shed that's easy to store and takes up almost no space. It measures 53 centimeters long, 36 centimeters wide, and 25 centimeters high. Inside, however, you'll find 12 professional tools. In a few minutes, the box transforms, adapting to the needs of its owner and the tasks. The structure consists of a work surface and a support, where the tools included in the set are placed. Among others, a screwdriver, a drill, and a scroll saw. The station can also be equipped with a circular saw, a hot wire cutter, or table hot wire cutter. A table sander and a mini lathe are available too. It only takes 15 seconds to change the tools, and is not difficult to switch between different modes. An additional advantage is the lamp, which works both as a work light and a lantern. It's responsible for illuminating the work surface, making the job easier and safer. The system is portable and battery operated. However, special adapters are included that allow tools to be connected to a power source. And of course, the manufacturer has equipped the kit with a protractor for more precise angle cutting, as well as a saw shield. This great workstation is priced at a minimum of $500. Master Puma P3. This tile cutting machine is one of the most efficient and modern hand tools on the market. Master Puma P3 is a creation of the Italian company Brevetti Montolit. The equipment is suitable for cutting porcelain tiles, glass tiles, mosaics, ceramic floor and wall tiles too. The device is equipped with a special ergonomic handle. Once the cut has been made, it allows to apply enough pressure to break the tile. Pay attention to the cut. It's clean and precise regardless of the material. The Master Puma P3 is suitable for cutting tiles up to 22mm thick. The tile cutter is equipped with a special anti-slip mat for working with mosaic. The operator applies a minimum amount of effort during operation, and his hands are always safe. The price of this device is $600. Wacom 90. The last tool we'll talk about today is a battery-powered adhesive applicator. It's used for laying the parquet flooring in houses and apartments. The Model 90 of the German brand Wacom squeezes the tubular bag, saving the operator time and effort. At the same time, the adhesive is applied at an optimal and uniform layer. It should be noted that Wacom 90 can work with different types of adhesives, both hard elastic and elastic. And the applicator doesn't weigh more than 6 kilograms, so the operator's hands don't get tired. Moreover, the work is done in a comfortable standing position. This is a professional tool, so it costs about $2,000. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.